Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario 64 with mods. First, you will need a clean Super Mario 64 ROM file, typically a .z64 or .n64 format. Next, acquire a patching tool like Floating IPS or Lunar IPS. These tools apply mod patches to your game. Finally, download the specific mod files you wish to play, often found on dedicated modding websites. Ensure your game version is compatible with the chosen mod. To begin, secure a Super Mario 64 ROM. It's crucial to use a legally obtained copy. Then, download a patching program. Floating IPS is a popular choice for its user-friendly interface. You will also need an emulator to run the modified game. Project 64 and Mupen 64 Plus are excellent, widely supported options that offer good performance and compatibility for modded ROMs. Now, let's apply a mod. Open your patching tool and select your clean Super Mario 64 ROM as the base file. Then, choose the mod file, which will typically have a .ips or .bps extension. The patching utility will then create a new, modified ROM. Do not overwrite your original ROM, always create a separate, patched version. This ensures you can revert if needed. With your modded ROM ready, open your emulator. Navigate to the option to load a ROM and select your newly patched Super Mario 64 game file. The emulator should now launch the game with the modifications applied. You are now ready to explore new levels, characters, and gameplay experiences that the modding community has created. Have fun with your enhanced Super Mario 64 adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.